Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Genie channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of most beautiful and stylish cross-stitch patterns design ideas. Cross-stitch is such an amazing hobby, and it's one of the easiest types of needlepoint to learn. There is something so rewarding about seeing a pattern come to life as you work, and I really love the detail, colors and sheer amount of time that go into each piece. Hopefully, the patterns you find here will inspire you to start stitching, or encourage those of you who are already stitchers. Cross-stitch is one of the easiest stitches to master, and we've created fun clip art motifs that you can take anywhere. Gather your supplies, you don't need many, slip them into a pouch for convenient toting, and take your crafts show on the road. Different types of most beautiful and stylish cross-stitch patterns designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.